Welcome kids to the world of ABC. Let's learn letters with fun you'll see. We'll dance, we'll sing, we'll shout, hooray! Come along, it's time to play. B is for gorilla, strong and grand, beating his chest with his mighty hand. Boom, boom, can you do it too? Stand up tall and give it a few. And do H is for hedgehog, tiny and small, rolling in a little ball. Tickle, tickle, he's so shy. Peekaboo, now say hi. I's for ice, fish and water so cold, swimming deep where the ocean is bold. Bubble, bubble, see him glide, dancing under the icy tide. J's for jellyfish, floating so light, glowing softly in the ocean bright. Wiggle, wiggle, see them shine, dancing deep in a wavy line. K is for cola, cuddly and sweet, hugging the tree, fast asleep. Snore, snore, sleepy head, curled up in a leafy bed. L is for lemur, swinging so high, leaping from tree to tree, oh my. Tail so long and eyes so bright, dancing under the moonlight. We've learned so much, hooray, hooray. G-I-J-K-L made our day. Boom, boom, can you do it too? Stand up tall and give it a few. And do